Hi, this is Bob Price. Welcome to my video. This one's going to be about seagulls, and it's about the progression of a seagull, how it starts off young and how it progresses into an adult bird. But the thing that's important about it is it's really like people. We do the same things. We start young, or we start as babies, right? And then we grow and progress, and we learn new things, and we grow into an adult, and we have challenges that we have to work through, and we are able to learn how to do that by using our intuition. That's the big thing about my channel, is using your intuition. Anyway, this video about seagulls I'm dedicating to one of my viewers, Julia. Julia, thank you so much. She wrote me in, I can't read it here because I'm holding the phone, but she wrote me in a really nice comment about the peacock video that I had done about a week or so ago, and she really liked the peacock video. So that's what's the basis of this video, and I give that as a tribute to Julia. Thank you for your comment, and I have good news for you as viewers. I want to start using some of my creativity and my art. I want to show you how I developed for this next video. I'm going to be creating another video tarot card, and I'm going to show you some of the research that went into making that video. I'm going to show you some of the other AI things that I did and how I developed this AI project into the final. And then we're going to create a tarot card, or a tarot card like we did in the last one with the peacock. We're not going to actually create it and print it out, but we're going to make a pretend tarot card, and we're going to interpret it and do all the symbolism that's on that. And so I hope you like it. It's coming up. It's something to look forward to. Hope you have a good day. Thank you for listening to the video.
When you were a young bird, you would trip and fall, flapping your wings, trying to stand tall. You learned to focus, gathered your grace, finding your rhythm, keeping up the pace. As you grew older and your spirit matured, you learned to soar and flew so assured. With every glide, you embraced your song in the sky's embrace, where you truly belong. Be a seagull, spread your wings, embrace the horizon, and learn what life brings. Reach out and fly, let your heart sing. The world is wide open, feel the freedom it brings. You stretch your wings, lift high in the air, meeting new friends, no burdens to bear. You share knowledge with your flock, together you grow, navigating the currents, feeling the flow. Fly towards the sun, bask in its glow, dive into the waters, let the coolness bestow a splash echoes of laughter echoing from below. In the heart of the moment, you let your joy flow. Be a seagull and spread your wings. Embrace the horizon and learn what life brings. Reach out and fly. Let your heart sing. The world is wide open. Feel the freedom it brings. As the sun starts to set, painting skies bright, meet me at the top where dreams take flight. Let the energy surround us like a warm embrace. In this vibrant dance, find your sacred space. Feel the connection, the pulse of the divine. In the currents of life, all our paths intertwine. Be a seagull and spread your wings. Embrace the horizon and learn what life brings. Reach out and fly. Let your heart sing. The world is wide open. Feel the freedom it brings. With the stars as your guide and the moon as your friend, together we'll journey, our spirits won't bend. Take to the sky where your soul can expand. With every adventure, we'll make our own land. So stretch out your wings, let your heart understand. In the dance of existence, we'll forever stand hand in hand. So rise like the dawn as the new day arrives. A